How to add text behind objects in VN Editor app. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you are on your VN application, and now you want to go ahead and click on new project. Now you want to select the video that you'll be adding text behind objects. Now to add text, you want to go ahead and tap to add subtitles. Now you want to tap on text, and then you're going to be tapping on add heading. Now type in what you would like your text to be. Now after typing, you can go ahead and adjust the font type if you would like. You can change it into whatever font type you would want. You can also change the font size if you'd like, and then you can change the opacity or the color of the text or the way the text looks in general. And when you are done with that and your text looks good in the way that you like, now your text should look like this. If you notice, it is on top of the object. Now to add this text behind the object, now the next thing you want to do is to select the text, and then you want to scroll over to where you see marks and tap on marks. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the third option that says mirror. Now you want to go ahead and adjust it to the position where you want to be hidden under the object. And after adjusting, you will notice that the text is no more on top of the object, but rather it is behind the object. Now guys, this is how simple it is to add text behind objects in VN Editor app. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.